In this video, we will be walking you through how you can post your Subaru monthly statement using Accumatic. For those who haven't been here, first, let's do a quick refresher on the 3 basic steps to using our platform. The first step to using Accumatic is downloading your OEM reports from the factory website and uploading them into Accumatic. Within seconds, Accumatic transforms the data into a ready-to-post result. The last step is downloading the data and either uploading it or power posting it back into your DMS. Okay, let's jump into using Accumatic to code out my Subaru monthly statement. So at this point, all I will have done is downloaded that Subaru monthly statement in the Excel format that comes off of SubaruNet. The Excel format is important because it includes all the details that we need. But I don't have to manipulate in any way. All I have to do is upload that file directly into Accumatic. Now, within a few seconds, what our system is going to do is it's going to recognize the type of report, it's going to recognize the dealer code associated with that report, and then it's going to code out and produce a ready-to-post entry according to your accounting specifications. So what does that mean? Well, the Subaru statement has many different programs on it. And so it is really up to you as to which programs you would like us to code out. This can include everything that is on the Subaru monthly statement, including those parts invoices, including all of those miscellaneous invoices, or we could decide to omit certain things that might be posted using a different Accumatic module. Sometimes we omit the parts invoices because oftentimes the monthly statement doesn't include the details we need, in which case we would use a separate module to take those individual parts invoices and code them out. But in this case, we have broken out every single program that shows up on that monthly statement into these separate tabs here. Now, these tabs are optional. We could include all of these programs into one giant sheet that you could scroll through pretty easily. But for the purposes of demonstration here, we've broken them out into these tabs so you can quickly scroll through and see what each of them includes. And then for each tab, you'll notice that we know which account these things need to code to. We understand what the control method needs to be. So whether that is the last 6 of the VIN, the last 8 of the VIN, maybe in certain circumstances we're doing a stock number conversion or a customer number conversion and bringing that information in as the control. Whatever your methods are for your controls and whatever account numbers these things need to post to, we can automate the coding of that information for each of these individual programs. This includes chargebacks, cancellations, again, all of those miscellaneous invoices that show up on that monthly statement. We know that this is all coming in as a balanced entry. And so the final step really is just extracting this information from Acccumatic and posting it back into your DMS. So what does that look like? Basically, we give you the option to download all here, which is going to produce, in this case, a CSV file, but really it is whatever file type is required by your DMS to do a file upload, or in certain cases, a copy and paste of this information back into the DMS. This file gets saved to my downloads folder. I would pivot over to my DMS, quickly select that file, and within just a matter of seconds, I've gone from the CSV monthly statement here to a fully posted, accurate journal entry without having to do any manual coding, without any risk of finger fumbles, and ideally saving you a ton of time on what would normally be a laborious manual process. We are compatible with all of the DMSs, and we work with many of the other Subaru factory reports and many other reports for that matter. So if you'd like to learn more about this process specific to your dealership, or maybe look into a more personalized demonstration, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.